Today I have the Omnilux Men's Medical Grade Anti-Aging LED Therapy Device. This is made by Omnilux, a very reputable brand that makes the LED devices. See right here, it says 10-minute treatment. A lot of different other things on here. 40 peer-reviewed studies, case studies, and 20 years of continuous research. So this company has been around for quite a while. It says that it's dermatologist approved, FDA cleared. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. But this is what it looks like on the back. We're going to get into all of this. It says, what is Omnilux for men's device? It's a flexible LED device built for home use that utilizes advanced gold standard red and near-red infrared light therapy technology to improve overall health and appearance of the face. And it also came with a hydrogel face mask right here. It's firm, hydrate, nourish, specially designed to enhance Omnilux LED treatments used with or without LED. So this is optional right here. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Now with the Omnilux infrared, it's supposed to stimulate collagen. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Right here it says Omnilux Men Medical Grade Anti-Aging LED Light Therapy Device. All right, so on the side, stickers in place. And I'm going to go ahead and slide this up. And inside there is the mask. Here's the Omnilux men's mask. Feels like silicone on this side. Go ahead and pull it out. And here is a USB-A plug. Comes right here. And here's a zip tie. And right here, there are straps. There are Velcro. Go ahead and unlaunch these. And the cardboard comes out. Just go ahead and take that off. And right here is the mask. You can see the LEDs on this side of the mask. There are quite a few different LEDs that go along all the way through it. You put it on after you take. It says, please remove prior to use. Go ahead and peel that off. And right here is the mask with the LEDs right here. It has LEDs all throughout it. You like put it on and go out for a Halloween party, I guess. It's the front side. They have spaces for the nose and other parts right here. So spaces for the nose, the eyes, and the mouth. I'm going to sit this to the side, and there's reading material in here. This is the Omnilux Men's User Guide right here. There's a lot of reading going along in here. And inside, there's also looks like a charging station. Set that to the side. Then there is also, I guess this isn't a charging station. This is an actual plug that you plug it into the USB to charge. We'll figure it out in a second. So this is a plug for, I believe that's Europe or South America. And this one is for Europe, I believe, or somewhere. Italy, I'm not sure. Other countries, but they give you multiple plugs because I'm assuming that they ship this worldwide and they want to make it so everyone could use it. So that's Europe right there for most of Europe. And then here's adapter for United States. Get to that in a second. And this is the charging adapter. Let's pull everything out of it. Comes along with a bag to carry all the things in. Omnilux Men. And put that to the side. I'm going to put the face mask to the side. And just to clean up a little bit. And we'll see this. So you have the Omnilux Men's mask right here. Straps on the top of the head and the back of the head. Go ahead and put that together. Back in here. And then you have this one. Put it there. Alright, so this was sent to me right here to try out. What is this right here? Alright, so this is the part right here. Go ahead and untie this. And just simply adapt it to this. Right, press and hold, and then this part is for the USB. So the actual mask has a USB into it, and then you plug it in to this right here. So you have that, and then this is the part that goes in the wall. So depending where you are in the world and what the standard is for the plugs, you'll find the standard plug and slide it into place. So it slides into place. Use this one. Snaps in and pops out. So I'm going to find the American because I am all American. I'm going to take this and slide it in. And don't lose these because perhaps you may need to require it, or you can keep the American plug on and just get an adapter wherever you go. So I have this and essentially plug it in. And then it says right here, press and hold. So I'm going to plug it in eventually, but I'm going to give a brief view of everything that I just unpacked. The mask itself with the LEDs in place on the back. See all the LEDs? I have the plug, which I put the American version of it on here. Snaps on and off by simply pressing this button. And I can replace it with something else. Snap that off. The other ones, all of them lock into place. Here's another one right here. Snap into place. Plugging it in. Put the American back on. Snap into place. And so I'm going to plug this in and I'm going to light it up so you can see the Omnilux Men in all its color or in use. This is the button that says press and hold. I'll remove. I don't necessarily have to remove this plastic, but I will. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in, and then I'm going to go over some of the other instructions that the user manual has. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Here is the mask right here. So I have it plugged in, and you can see right here it is charging. It's charging the mask. It's plugged in. Now it says press to hold. Okay, I'm going to do that, and nothing happens when this does, and that is because it is being charged. This right here is a battery, and while it's charging, you cannot operate the device. Now, before you use the device, make sure that it's fully charged. but for the sake of the video, I'm going to go ahead and use this anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug this. I'm going to unplug this. Unplugged. See right here. I can actually turn it on, and I'm going to turn it on and show you the LEDs, and then I'm also going to be applying this to the face. So right here it says press and hold. It's plugged in. There is some charge, but highly recommended that you fully charge it before use. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to press and hold it. And you see that I turn it on, the LEDs light up, and there is a lot of LEDs across the mask that can give you that red light therapy. There it is right here. So this is the front side of the mask. See, it's lit up. And this is the LED side of the mask. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually put this on to the face. So let me go ahead and do this. I'm going to turn this off by simply pressing and holding the button. And then I'm going to apply it to the face. Let's go ahead and do that. So now I'm going to apply it to the face. Now the lazy way to do is just to pull it over like this. But I'm going to unstrap this. And the top part. And this is supposed to sit on the face. It's supposed to grip it. So I'm going to line it up with over the eyes. See, it says Omnilux right here. And I'm going to go all the way around. And once I get all the way around, I'm going to go ahead and take the strap, tighten it, not too tight, it's Velcro, that part. And then on the lower part of the head, I'm going to do the same thing, go through there, and put this together right there. So it's on that, and then I'm going to go ahead and press and hold right here. So I'm going to press this. You can see the lights, LED lights on the face right here. Now, I did step one before using the mask. I charged the mask, charged the controller using the supplied cable and plug, which I did, went over that. Step two is once fully charged, all three lights will be illuminated. So all the three of the lights will be illuminated when it's fully charged. You can see that it's somewhere up there, and there's three charge. And you have to detach the controller from the charging cable. And don't charge the controller with the mask still connected. So you don't want this actually on your face with the mask still connected, okay? So don't charge the controller with the mask still connected. Omnilux. So I actually did it wrong. So what I did was I had this connected where I should have just disconnected like this and charged it. So that's a mistake that I did. Please correct that. Okay, so charge it like this and then connect it through the USB-C. Turn it off and then press power. So that's one thing to note. Don't charge it with it still connected. It says the Omnilux will not work if plugged into the controller while it is charging, and this can cause damage to the device and battery over time. So when charging it, actually disconnect it and then charge it right here. And then once it's fully charged, unplug it from the cable that's plugging into charging it, and then plug it into the USB-C that is connected to the mask. So this is free, connected through USB-C. All right, so you have that because you don't want to damage the device and the battery over time. And then step three, connect the mask to the other end of the controller, which I just did right here. Just to reiterate, the Omnilux Men mask right here is operated by the supplied controller, making it completely portable, so you can walk around and do other things with the mask still on. It says step 4, the mask is designed to sit comfortably on your face, as you can see right here. It has openings for the eyes, the lips, and the mouth. You don't want it to be tight. You want it to be secure, but you don't want it to be actually really tight. To activate the controller, I'm going to go over that again, turn that off. And to activate the controller, by simply pressing down on the button for 1 second. 1 second. Each session is about 10 minutes, and your device, the Omnilux Men, will automatically shut off when the treatment is complete. We recommend, or Omnilux recommends, using 3 to 5 days a week for 4 to 6 weeks, and then continued maintenance thereafter for healthy skin. So they're saying use this for 3 to 5 days per week. A session is only 10 minutes long. Yep, so use it 3 to 5 weeks. And then for 3 to 5 times per week for 4 to 6 weeks, and then continued maintenance thereafter. When storing the device, you should store the device as flat as possible and clean the treatment surface as needed with a damp cloth or non-irritating water-based wipe. For deeper cleaning, wipe it gently with 70% alcohol. So you can use 70% alcohol when cleaning this for deeper cleaning. All right, so I had this on. It's important to read the instruction manual yourself so you know exactly how to use this particular device right here. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off, and then going to unstrap it. Like this. All right, and then I'm going to take the mannequin head off and put the mannequin head away. And this is the mask itself right here. And I'm going to go ahead and take the hairs and pluck them away. Take the hairs, pull them off, pull them away. The hairs can get stuck on this, and so you want to make sure that you get it off and clean it with wipe, and then up to 70% alcohol wipe if you need a deep clean. And then you have the mask itself. After you wiped it off, adjust the straps for storage, and it says keep this flat as possible when storing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and disconnect power source right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and take these out. I think I'll put these inside of a different bag because I don't really need these. And then I'm going to slide the mask into place. And like they said, it's important to keep it flat. And I don't want to keep this device next to the LEDs. So I might come up with a different packaging system for this so the LEDs stay damage free. And I keep the Omnilux Men's in a place where it won't get damaged. So that was the video. I hope this has been very helpful. Please read the user manual, owner manual, so you know exactly how to use the Omnilux Men's mask, LED mask. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.